you kidding me? You killed it.
Well, it's about warmed up now.
Yeah, that is cool.
1969.
I am. What motor did they?
This bike is a Benelli.
A Benelli, okay.
Because Montgomery Wards are like Sears. They sold everything but made nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is a rebadged Benelli.
I noticed I was at
Wow, wow. Never seen one. This is the first. Unbelievable.
You know, I forgot to bring my catalog pages.
Oh, well, right here.
Because you basically ordered this bike through the catalog.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wards.
There it is. If their credit card's still good.
And I still qualify for the ride button.
They did. I had one.
Possibly.
My first credit card, Montgomery Wards.
Wow, Montgomery Wards in London. Oh, remember I said that
Yeah,
bullshit?
unbelievable. So Sears had a bike too, right?
Had Galeras.
Yeah.
And Pooks.
Yeah.
They usually came in the name of Allstate.
Right, Allstate. We saw one yesterday at the races. Allstate.
So if you went to Montgomery Wards and bought a can of oil or anything like that, or tools,
That's the
they
logo.
were under the Riverside name.
Yeah, I remember the logo. But why there is a toolbox on the side like that? Is that the way?
That's exactly the way it is.
See how
And
it's on the
some
side?
kind of,
There's one over here.
I know the
some
script
kind
is
of
on the side.
goof up. But that's
I mean, that's the way it's.
I forgot my catalog page,
They had this showing that same
Yeah.
group up.
and it's kicked off like
I'll
that.
be damned. Well, thanks for saving it. You're the one.
Is that a
Okay, I'm gonna go get some cash. Well, Montgomery Roads motorcycle. Who would have thought?